Hey, Laura. Hey, Paul. Pew! How you doing, man?
Woo! Let's go! You know you can't bring that weak-ass stuff in this humpy bumpy. You kill the Joe, you make some mo. You know that, baby. Else you're in for a long day. A long day. Because Triple T has got an itch.
Some people said I was crazy when I brought Terry on board, but I'm a firm proponent of paradigm breaking, outside-the-box thinking. And, since Terry has been with us, our productivity has gone up 46%.
Break was over 15 minutes ago, Pete. I'm an enforcer, man. Don't nothing go down in my house. It's one of us in heart, baby. Sure, I check a few fools. I give them the pain, but sometimes it's about intimidation, you know? It's mind games.
Okay, see you later.
Ah!
Get ready for the pain, woman. The pain train is coming. Ah!
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Thank you, Terry. Thank you, God.
But what has really impressed me is how Terry has really become part of the Fletcher family. He fits right in here.
Surprise, Ken. Happy birthday. Yeah, alright, yeah. As profits increase, the margins reach the second break. Even point here. Any questions? You know you need a cover sheet on your TPS reports, Richard. That ain't
Hey,
you,
Terry.
baby. Hey, Janice. Motherfucker.
That's not to say Terry has gone soft. He still does what he does best.
That's a long-distance call, dog.
Of course, the office enforcement is, in fact, a violent world, and injuries do occur. Hi, Terry.
Hey, Donna. Ah! Shit. Playing hurt, baby? That don't faze me. I don't got time for pain. The only pain I got time for is the pain I put on fools. Don't know what time it is. Any fool to think I don't want to step because of what happened? Because of what happened to my knee and such? Well, he's in for a surprise. A rude, painful surprise.
To be honest, I wish I had 10 Terry Tates on Team Fletcher.
I just do my job, man. I do what my God-given abilities allow me to do. I thank Jesus Christ for it every single day. And do I enjoy what I do? Hell yeah. These ain't your pens, Richard. These pens belong to my house. You can't come in my kitchen and kick my dog and take a box full of ball pens? Your ass must be crazy.